Okay, sorry for the interruption. So when phi becomes minus pi, so we have completely wrapped around. This is going to be minus pi plus minus minus pi, which will be plus pi 2 pi, and 2 pi divided by 2 pi, it's going to be 1. So we are going to map, when you completely wrap around, again this part of the sphere, this column from the texture. Okay, so for this u is going to be 1. So this actually means that if in your texture, when you map a texture on a sphere, if you don't want any discontinuity on the object after the texture is being mapped, so note that this part of the sphere will get values from this column, and again the same part, when you wrap from the back, is going to get values from this column. Okay, so there will be a transition from here to here. So if your texture is prepared according to this, meaning that if your texture, when you go to here, this column, the value here matches the value here, okay, kind of like a world atlas, world map, then you are not going to have a discontinuity. But if, let's say, this part is red, and then this part is green, okay, so what you are going to have is, when you look at the texture, you are going to have a transition in this region, from sudden transition from red to green. Okay, so the texture must be the texture that's used must be prepared properly.